Wanted to take a moment or two to do some reflection on what uh, professional development this course did for me. I think what it did was offer the bird's eye perspective of what graduate school has to offer. And I mean to say it in this way. Oftentimes, graduate school, or for me, graduate school seemed as though a goal in and of itself. The process of getting admitted was, you first have to go through the process of determining what schools best meets your needs, what major you best prefer to be a professional, a long-term, a terminal degree. Where do you want to be 10 years from now? You want to make those type of decisions even before the process begins. Then you have the process of application, personal statement, studying for graduate exams. All these in and of themselves are tests. Qualifications, that are necessary, but nonetheless, they're challenges in and of themselves. That being said, you get to believe, or I did, get the impression that graduate school is the goal within itself. That once you've reached it, you've actually attained the goal. As short-sighted as that may be, that's still quite the reality, at least it was for me. What I realized once I got here was that there was work to do. There was work to do. You take it, the sum of its parts, and you find that it's one part endurance trial and two-part academic acumen and three-part just sheer stubbornness. That's going to get you through. But back to the point, what professional development did for me was put a perspective on graduate school that this was about polishing the image and package that you will present to the world once you've matriculated. That you had to actually address what you wanted your goals to be. There's the thread. You talk about initially graduate school being a goal in and of itself, and then this class introduces you to the idea that there's a larger goal. That the goal is not to just be a graduate school student, but is to become a professional. To be a post grad, and at least on this level. And I think that was one of the things that this class taught. Professional development blog was, to me, at the end, after I saw it all put together, I was very pleased with what I learned. It was something that you could take that and tangibly use to build a brand, use to build your own opportunities outside of this, to increase your web footprint, as we talked about. But, it was just, I wanted to just provide a reflection on how this class affected me in the end result. Thank you.